Hi, this video is to demonstrate how to use Sketchup as one option for creating images for a GIF animation of an object experiencing an internal force. So I'm beginning with the hexagonal bar. I've tried this with a circle and it worked very well, so I want to try something a little different here. Because my purpose is to export images of this object, I may want to visit display and turn off axes and some of these guides. I may also want to look at styles and get something a little more, possibly a little more interesting than the gray background color. Let's just go with this. Okay, because I'm going to be exporting images, I want to sort of get my orientation set. Okay, so I'll start here, and I believe the first thing I'll do is export a PNG of this image. Okay, I have an option to change things here, and because I do, I might go ahead and make this a square and see what happens. Because we're 611 high, I'll go 600 by 600. If you don't get this option, just export what you have. Okay, so that square is exported. Now I'm going to leave everything as it is. And using a right drag, I can select just this hexagon. I'm going to find the center of that and rotate it. Okay, and I can see that torsion, and that's what I'm looking to animate. So what I need to decide, if I'm looking for 3 to 5 pictures, I need to decide how far I want to advance that in each one. So maybe I'll go, looking at my angle number down in this corner, I start to see some effect at about 20 degrees, so I'm going to advance 20 degrees. Okay, and now I want to unhighlight this, so I'll use my select tool to get rid of that, and I'm going to export another PNG. And I'll stick with those same settings. Again, I don't necessarily have to make this a square. If I'm not making it a square, I might want to write down the pixel height and pixel width for reference in the future. I'll export that PNG. And I'm going to do this one more time. Q for rotate. I'll go another 20 degrees. Okay, again, I don't want this selected in my image. I'll export this PNG. I think you get the picture. I might create 1 or 2 more of these after ending the video.